Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. How to control who can send you messages on Facebook. This is very easy. First you need to go for settings. Now click on block. From the block message section, you need to type the name of the person from whom you do not want the messages. Here you have two options to select. One is block messages and calls, or second is block on Facebook. You need to select block messages and calls. Then select the block button. Okay, that's it. After this the user cannot send you messages. If you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up. Try and comment. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.